Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get DOM depth of the market right here in Bookmap. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we are going to do is select right here settings, and then we go to manage plugins. Then right now we select right here Bookmap add-ons, and then if you scroll down you see right here the DOM Pro. But there's one thing that you need to know, because if I'm holding my mouse right here, he is saying this plugin is not allowed by your license. So this means that we need to upgrade our license, and you can find which license you need right here on this page. So if you go back and then did the purchase, we can click here on install, and then the depth of the market will appear right here in your Bookmap. So maybe this was not a video where it was looking for, but this is just the truth. So this is the only way how to get the DOM right here, and hopefully this was a little bit where it was looking for. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.